second year computer engineering. Just a little intro. The motivation behind this project is that it helps me build lots of skills, and such as that I can apply to my future job, such as flowchart diagrams, coding, troubleshooting, debugging, understanding of embedded systems, and filming editing videos. Throughout this course, I improved my understanding about electronic circuits, and the IDE of Arduino, it uses a simplified version of C++, so that helped me improve my programming skills. The inspiration behind this is to help people with disabilities and improve safety and security. I wanted to help. What was my project? My project was a smart lock system with an RFID entry system component with the Android app component. It's a very secure system with multiple safety components, LED alerts, mobile alerts, and LCD, just to name a few. The general description of the project, already talked about the title and the main objective. Now I'll be talking about what is interesting, competitive, or new about this project. So there are many more safety and luxury features that I've added than the simple door lock system, such as personalized messages, mobile phone alerts, unlocking through mobile, program mode, which is a system that lets you add and remove as many tags as you need to, disability mode, which has automatic unlocking, so it opens and closes and unlocks immediately, and the Bluetooth connection. There's many similar industrial or commercial technologies available in the market already, like such as the Presto system, where you tap your card and it lets you onto the train. And then also whenever you use any kind of attendee tracking or inventory management, access control in hotels, universities, all of those use this same technology as well. The source of the program or hardware where I got the idea from. So I got the idea from researching these sites, which I will show in the next slide, that have many Arduino-based projects, especially Android component to alert came from my personal experience, because when my house got broken into, that it would have been helpful and this could have been prevented, and the police could have been automatically contacted. What is the difference from the source project software hardware? So the difference is that the servo motor is turning at a particular angle to fit my needs according to my measurement, and I also had some personalized messages to make the system very user-friendly. And the software for the Android application credit goes to the person from this YouTube video, which I will link in the credits as well. So I'm going to show and explain the schematic of the hardware. So the top image is the schematic of the hardware, and the components I've used are written on the side: RFID, Bluetooth module, servo motor, LCD display, breadboard, and proximity sensor. The flowchart and objective. So the objective was to create a home security system with alerts, automatic door unlock system, and safety functions such as program mode, as well as a welcome mode where they say hello and greet the user, and a specialized disability mode, and a successful demonstration fingerprints. And here on the right side is my flowchart, and basically it shows exactly how the system will work, what questions it will ask first, in which order. The source of the program or hardware where the students found. So basically I found my hardware from a few different websites, and they were all using like Nano or Uno, so I had to make some changes, such as like I had to do SPI communication in order to use the Duo and the Arduino Duo. And the difference between the source of the project is that I have added many personalized messages, and I had to change many things because of the Arduino Duo that I'm using. I'm not using the Arduino Nano. In conclusion, the project was 100% successful, and I will show that in my demo in next. And my statement about working during COVID and the problems and how I overcame them. So the objectives were met. Some of the COVID challenges, such as lack of help when small errors happen, delays in delivery of materials. There was like a 1 month delay, and that was really upsetting. And the issues with delivering the Bluetooth components. Here are the credits and bibliography of all the resources I use. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make this tag the master tag. So first I will scan this master tag. And when I do this, it said master tag set. So now I can go to program mode by scanning this master tag. See, now you're in, oh, oops, I messed up. Okay, one more time. So after I have this in program mode, I'm going to be giving access to this card. So we see it says access control, scan your tag.
Yeah.
So I'm going to make this the master tag, and I'm going to scan it now. And it said master tag set. Now I want to add this card. So if I scan this, it says access denied, but now I'm going to give it access. So now I'm in program mode and I can add this tag. So now it says tag added. Now what I can do is I can open the door. So how will I do this? I can scan either of these and I'll tap and oh, it hit the wall, but you see it turned and it opened. And now I want to, let's say I want to remove access or like remove a card so that it's not valid anymore. So I can do that by entering program mode again and tag remove. And now when I tap whichever card I removed access to, it will now say access denied. So you see it says access denied.